Hi, welcome to my demo for Project 4. So, as you can see here, we'll start off with task 1. You can see that the light's no longer fixed on the rotation of the cube, it's fixed coming out of the camera. So, yeah, that's task 1. And then moving on, we have this drop down menu with all of our different types of shaders and implementations, so we can sort through them, and the ones where I don't have to implement a shader, it's just blank. But this is the teapot that I implement my shaders on, and this is the 3JS library version. So we got wireframe, flat, pretty simple stuff. So we start with normal. So here's the 3JS normal, and here's the shader that I implemented. It looks pretty similar. I was able to get, I guess, kind of like the saturation pretty similar. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So if we move on to glow, so here's the 3GS one, and here's mine. So you kind of see it's like a glow effect. It's dark, and then around it it's kind of glowing. Alright, then we move on to tune. So here's that 3JS tune, and then here's mine. As you can see, this is, so if we drop down this tune menu, right now it's on 3-tone, so we can change this to 5-tone, and it kind of adds some more layers, I guess you'd say. There's a little more detail, and we could change this back. So if we move on to Fong, so here's the Fong shader for the 3JS, and here's mine. Right now, it's got all of its attributes selected, all of its components are turned on, but we can turn these off. So we turn off the ambient, it's kind of like all around. It just gets darker. We can turn off the diffuse. Now it's pretty dark, and all you can really see is this little reflection, which is the specular. Kind of a little hard to see, but basically from where the light is. And then when we turn that off, then now it's just completely black. And we could do different combinations of this. So like this is just diffuse. This is just the ambient. You could do different combinations, just like that. So I think it's pretty cool. Alright, now for my custom shader, I did kind of like an animated shader. So I thought it looks really cool. So basically it's kind of like two textures. The blue texture is applied to it. It's just an image I found on Google. And then this other texture, which is like a water ripple picture, and it's kind of applied over the top, and it just slowly moves. A variable's updated so that it just continues to move, and I thought it looked really cool. It's kind of like it's alive. Alright, so that's that, and then we didn't have to implement the shaders for Lambert or Gerard. And so yeah, that is pretty much it. So thanks for watching.